In this video, I'll demonstrate the basic tiles tool in the content layout tool. Here's what we're going to create. If you haven't watched the introductory video on the content layout tool, you'll want to do that first to avoid any confusion and problems like breaking the HTML tags. If you've already done so, keep watching. Start off by clicking Launch Content Layout Tool. Remember, every time you use the Content Layout tool, you'll need to click and hold the cursor while inserting tools. So click and hold the plus sign, hover over Basic Tiles, and let's try one tile. So hover over that option and release the cursor. Now you have customization options for visual effects. Let's use Grow Effect. So click OK, which takes you to the content editor. To make editing easier, let's make this full screen using the button second from the right in the top right-hand corner of this box. Now we can insert an image in the tile and link it to content. Right-click the image box and select Image. This window appears. It's very important for accessibility that I add an image description and title, and then click Update. Then we'll edit the text. Remember, whenever you edit text with the Content Layout tool, you need to remember three things. 1. Write your text in between the square brackets, and then once you've finished, use the arrow keys on your keyboard to move behind the brackets and delete or backspace them. This is the only way to make sure you don't mess up the text formatting. 2. Don't press Enter or add any paragraph breaks while you're writing the text, because it can add extra HTML tags and break the tool. 3. If you're copying text from another document, always convert it to plain text first using TextEdit, Notepad, or another plain text editing program so that you don't end up with any formatting issues or extra HTML tags. If you need a refresher on how to do that, please check out the introductory video in this tutorial series. With basic tiles and enhanced tiles, you need to limit the amount of text that you add to the tile, as all the text needs to fit into limited space or it'll get cut off. The size of the tiles becomes smaller when viewed on mobile or tablet, so keep the text nice and short to avoid any display issues. Now that I've edited the text, let's link this tile to some material in my subject. So first I'll need to minimize this edit window so that I can see this sidebar over here. And I want to link to my learning materials page. So I'll open that page up in a new tab, copy the URL, then I'll right-click the image and select Link. In this link window, I can link students to any URL by pasting it in the link path section. So I'll take out this hash and paste in the URL that I'd like to link to. Also, note that if I wanted to link to a page outside of UTS Online, I'd need to select Open in a new window here. But my page is in UTS Online, so I'm going to keep this as is. That's all done, so scroll down and click Submit. And then I'll simply turn edit mode off, drag the browser window in to check that everything's displaying correctly on mobile, and then I can make the content available to students. That sums up how to use basic tiles. Bye for now.